what do we have here? Simple Speed Garage. You gotta look them up on Facebook right there. www.speedspeed.com. Precision knowledge. You know what I'm saying? Roy. Oh yeah, that's the owner. Okay, Roy. Excuse me. If you wanna do an appointment kind of thing. Anyway, so today, what we're going to do, which I already kind of did. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't find my dang freaking memory card. I already, some of you guys don't know, I went to Colorado and I had a crazy trip. As you can tell, yeah, look at that. Nice, huh? Have fun, they say. That's a whole nother story. I don't have time to discuss that now. But, so, here's the thing, guys. You know, I'm all about like balancing the car very nice. And as you can tell, I got the back bumper and I got the mud flaps, mud guards, whatever you want to call it. It kind of helps with the rear tire without chipping your bumper and paint and stuff and such. Now, as you can tell, I got these nice PCI side skirts, 3-inch made out of aluminum. But because I'm running those side skirts here, you cannot run the OEM factory mud flaps. Yeah, boo. Yep, that's correct. You cannot run the OEM mud guards because you have this flat edge on here. So that's what we got here from these guys. Excuse me. It's already cut. All you gotta do is just drill your holes in it. Now, I already did one side, so I'm gonna show you how it's going to look on the other side. I know I didn't show you how, but we got these nice downstar bolts up in here, 6mm. You know, is this dirty or what? Is that better? Anyways, gonna give you an idea from the side. That arch is very nice right there. It's got a nice low profile at the bottom there, and it's got the sides right there. You see that? Pretty clean, right? Pretty clean. I like clean. You like clean? I like clean. So, I already did this side right here, so we're gonna move to the other side and I'm gonna show you exactly how we're going to do it. Car is kind of up here, so pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop these clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just flip this up here. Now you're gonna have a hole here, one here, and one in the corner on the fender here. Well, I'm not gonna use the one on the fender. I'm going to make my own hole right here, like you saw on the other side. Pretty much what do? You drill a hole right at the top center right there for that. Boom. Once you get that hip in there, what are you going to do? You wanna center it. You wanna have this up and down. You don't want to have it in, you don't want to have it out, because once the car is sitting down, it's going to be crooked. So first what you want to do, you want to make your first hole. You make your first hole right there. Then once you get the first hole, you get your level. You see that? Well, you can eyeball it, but I got a level right there. You see that level right there? You see that? I don't know if you can tell, but that's pretty straight. You see that? I don't know if you can tell, my GoPro's kind of acting up. And then once you set it straight right here, you go behind the fender right here, because you're gonna have this pulled out, and then you're just gonna mark it up with the pick. Usually what I use is this right here. So I got a 90 pick. You can buy Harbor Freight, Snap-on, whatever. So what you do, you just take your pick behind the fender and just scratch it, and then you're gonna be able to pull this out. Remember, you're gonna have the top one already in. You're gonna bring it out and then put a hole. Once you put that hole in, then you're good to go. You're gonna go bottom one. You don't have to center it no more, and that's pretty much it. Good thing about it, even says right there, you know. Can you see that? It said Simply Speed 2018. See that? Pretty cool, huh? And that's pretty much it. I don't think I need to show you exactly how to do it. I usually use a unibit. This is what I use to drill the hole. Oh, I'll show you the hardware as well. So let's see here. I got this Allen bolts from Downstar. You can use regular bolts. You don't have to use Downstar if you don't want to, you know. But I have Downstar bolts, so see that? That's that right there. And then I'm using this right here. See that? You put those behind the fender. Those are 6mm right there. See that? And then you just screw into those right there. Bam! And that's you good to go. I use a unibit. So boom, boom, drill to make your holes, and that should do it, man. That's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and show you again. They also have an Instagram, so you can look up their Instagram and make sure that you get in touch with them, you know. Simply Speed Garage. Yeah, buddy. And you can order yourself one. That's pretty much all I have for this video. Maybe once I put the wheels on, I'll take another picture once I set it down. But for now, it's not ready, so I can't really put it down. I'm also doing a custom intake. I'm redoing my intake, believe it or not. I'm gonna set my velocity stack behind the fender. So I cut the intake pipe, as you can tell. It's already taped up, and I've got a different weird shape right there. You see that? Look at that weird shape, huh? And then I also got this thing from K-Tune. This is gonna be my bunk for the intake temp sensor. So I'm gonna weld that on there. See that? I'm gonna weld this bung in there. And then I got the fitting somewhere over here. See? And the sensor goes inside here. So that's kind of cool. So everything is billet on my car, nothing really OEM. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys as far as this install goes. And hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Best way and the fastest way to reach me is through Instagram. I really don't check my YouTube a whole lot. Sometimes I just get like negative feedback. I don't know why people do that. I don't do the YouTube to like, yes, son. As long as you put your gear on.
Gear? On gear 2?
Yeah, like your dang knee pads, your elbows, your shoes, your helmet, your gloves, yeah. Yeah. This is Josiah's bike, this is Noah's. And this one's right here, it's mine, the 110. Well, it's gonna be Noah's later. But I ride this one now because Noah's too little to reach the ground with this one. And I get to ride with Della on this one. That's my F09. That's a beast of a bike right there. Love that bike. The bike is fast. Not fast, really fast top speed. Probably tops out about 140, but it's fast as far as like cornering wise. And then I got my supermoto right here, slash, you know, dirt. But which I took the trip to Colorado, which that's what I got that right there. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked here, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Fastest way to reach me is Instagram. It's Vasile_racing. VASILE_racing. Peace. I know I lied. I figure I probably have to show you so you know exactly what I'm talking about, even though some of you guys might know exactly what I'm talking about, some of you may know, so I'm showing you. So you see that? I made the first hole right there, right? So what you do, you line it up. You have your level. See that? You set it up with your level. You want to make sure your bubble right down the level is straight. Right about there. Now as you set it out straight, you take this pick. See that? Take this pick behind the fender. See that? And then you make your hole. Make your scratch right here. After you make your scratch, you pull it back. See that? Just like I did that one. See that how I scratched it? Made another hole right here at the bottom. You put it back, you scratch it, and you put your hole through it. And then after you said and done, you peel off the plastic on both sides and you're good to go. So now for good, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace! Peace? Peace. Peace. Then I say peace.
Bye.